TurboTax Self-Employed, how to use TurboTax Self-Employment Tax Hub. The TurboTax Self-Employment Tax Hub is a dedicated resource designed to help self-employed individuals, freelancers, and gig workers navigate their tax obligations. Here are some key features and benefits. Key features: 1. Income reporting. TurboTax helps you accurately report your self-employment income, whether it's from 1099 NEC, 1099K, or other sources. 2. Expense tracking. The hub includes tools to track and categorize your business expenses, ensuring you maximize your deductions. 3. Quarterly tax payments. TurboTax provides guidance on making quarterly estimated tax payments to avoid penalties. 4. Industry-specific deductions. The platform offers insights into unique deductions for various industries, such as real estate, delivery driving, and specialty trade construction. 5. Expert help. You can access unlimited expert help as you go, ensuring your tax return is accurate and compliant. 6. Tax calculators and tools. TurboTax includes calculators and tools to help you estimate your taxes and understand your obligations. Benefits: seamless integration, easily sync your accounts to find self-employment deductions and maximize your tax savings. User-friendly interface. The platform is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, even for those who are new to self-employment taxes. Comprehensive support. TurboTax offers a wealth of resources, including articles, videos, and community support to answer your questions. Guaranteed accuracy. TurboTax guarantees the accuracy of their calculations, providing peace of mind when filing your taxes. How to get started: 1. Sign in. Use your Intuit account to sign in to TurboTax. 2. Select self-employment. Navigate to the self-employment section and follow the prompts to enter your income and expenses. 3. Use tools. Take advantage of the various tools and calculators available to help you accurately report your taxes.